Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your iPhone runs iOS 14 or newer, because Widgets live on the home screen now. Once done, touch and hold an empty area or any app icon until everything jiggles. This puts you in edit mode. Then, tap the plus button at the top left to open the widget gallery. You want to scan categories or search for an app. This is where you pick the widget size and type that fits your layout and daily needs. Now you choose the widget size, small, medium, or large. Tap through sizes to preview. Each size shows different information density, so pick the one that matches your glance needs. After selecting Add Widget, drag it to the exact home screen position you want. Icons and widgets will shift to make room. If you need more than one, drag a widget onto another to create a stack. This saves space while letting you swipe through multiple widgets. Finish by customizing the widget if available. While still in jiggle mode, tap the widget to open configuration options like account, list, or city. Once configured, press Done to exit editing. Widgets refresh automatically based on their app's update schedule. If data doesn't show or a widget appears blank, make sure the app has permissions, restart your iPhone, or reinstall the app. That usually clears cache and fixes the issue. If it persists, remove and re-add the widget.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.